us holds the remote control to our lives. It is often said that inner peace begins if you are emotionally happy. Have you ever felt that if you can manage your thoughts, feelings and emotions well, it'll be easy for you to handle difficult situations? If the answer to this question is a yes, then this video is just for you. Hi everyone, I'm Kajal Mullapudi, founder of LatentKrafts and a personal excellence coach. And today I'm going to share with you 3 tried and tested tips that will help you manage your emotions effectively. Let's explore these tips together, shall we? Use the 10-second rule. Now let's say you're very angry about a situation at work and you're about to say something out of anger. Before you actually give that reaction, count backwards from 10 to 1. When you count backwards, it gives you enough of time to think of what you want to say and then go ahead and choose your words. Alternatively, you can also do something which I'm just about to show you. This process where I picked up the bottle and drank some water took me almost 10 seconds. So for you, whatever works would make a difference. Whether it's counting backwards, whether it's drinking water, it gives you enough of time to think through, to breathe, to take that pause, and then instead of emotionally reacting, you can choose the right response. Give your emotion a name. Now let's say that you're feeling frustrated and this frustration is causing you either a pain in your neck or it might be even a pain in your back. Now when an emotion is so deep and it starts causing you pain, it's important to explore this emotion a little deeper because this emotion is telling you something. When these emotions happen, it's important to ask yourself some questions such as, I'm feeling frustrated. How can I be kind to myself? What is this emotion trying to tell me? Why am I going through this emotion currently? And most importantly, ask yourself, is there a better way to cope up with this emotion? When you do this self-reflection exercise, you'll get the answers and then you'll know exactly what's the change that you need to make. Be mentally fit. Some of us may face a challenge to handle emotions during stressful situations. Yes, we are aware that mindfulness techniques such as yoga and meditation do help us to manage emotions well under stress. In addition, what you could also do is spend some time and ask yourself these questions. Am I sleeping well enough? Am I exercising? Am I taking enough of time out for myself? Am I spending some time gossiping and even laughing with my friends at some specific jokes? What is it that I'm feeding my mind with? What TV shows, what books am I reading? When you ask yourself these questions, you would clearly know what are the options you have in front of you and what is it that you may need to do differently. Remember, if you're able to manage your emotions effectively, it would help to make your life exciting, vibrant and extremely beautiful. That was the video, guys. If you liked the video, smash the like button below. Do leave your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from LatentKrafts. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.